Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, I'm going to show you how I put some rubber soles on an old pair of Vans to make them into Streetluge shoes. So I'm sure there's a dozen different ways to do it. I did it wrong a couple of times, so I'm going to show you the way that it worked out this time. So these are the shoes. Let me show you how I made them. Okay, so here I have a piece of stall mat. It's about a 1/2 inch thick, rubber, made in Canada. Picked it up at Tractor Supply. It's about $40 for a 3x4 sheet. It's really heavy, so have them loaded into your truck for you. I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece that's bigger than both soles that I need just a little bit so I can do my fine cutting on a bench. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, well, I absolutely did not like the way that the shoe goo was sticking to this stall mat. So I'm thinking this isn't fresh rubber. Thinking this is probably remade rubber, you know, out of old recycled stuff. And it just doesn't, the shoe goo just doesn't stick to it. So I'm going to try contact cement. So I pulled them apart and spent a little time on the sanding wheel, shaped them out. Going to try to see if I can get the shoe goo completely off of the other one, or maybe I'll just try contact cement to it because it's starting to feel like it's on there pretty good. I might try to sand a little bit of it off because I think that on these old Vans, that's natural rubber on there, one time used. Alrighty, that's where we are so far. Need to get some contact cement. Okay, so got myself some contact cement. I've used it on other things and it definitely holds. So I'll put on my mask. Okay, now the instructions say to wait 15 minutes to 2 hours and then press them together. So I'm going to go set a timer for about 15 minutes. It's almost 100 degrees, probably 95 in this garage right now, so definitely not going to go 2 hours. So we'll see what happens. Okay, that stuff's been sitting for a while. Now's the tricky part, which is pushing these down, because you only really get one shot. Okay, there's the other. That one's on there better. So I can probably do a little shaping. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe just leave them just like that. Done. Okay,